Most people are already familiar with solder paste, but it's not just a material used to hold components in place. The choice of solder paste can sometimes be one of the key factors that determines final solder joint quality and long-term product reliability. Under the same production conditions, why can soldering quality vary so much? The flux inside solder paste acts as both a cleaner and a protector during soldering. It directly affects whether oxides can be removed properly and whether a reliable solder joint can form. If the flux activity is too low, oxidation cannot be fully removed, which may lead to cold joints and weak solder joints. That's why, when selecting solder paste, flux activity is one of the important factors we evaluate. In most applications, a medium activity solder paste is sufficient to meet both product and customer requirements. At the early stage of SMT process development, to ensure optimal soldering quality, we first carry out systematic process reliability validation. Solder paste selection is a key part of this process. Based on product characteristics and process requirements, we follow a structured evaluation process to identify the most suitable solder paste. After receiving the solder paste, we perform the following basic performance tests. Simulating viscosity stability after light stoppage and print restart. According to IPC standards, checking pattern deformation after 30 minutes of rest. Heating to 250 degrees Celsius to verify flux stability and splash resistance. Evaluating solder spread area based on standard method. Printing multiple boards continuously to check printing consistency. Using stencils for 02, 01, and QFN components. Measuring stencil release rate and checking for insufficient solder or solder spike. Correcting worn area and height data to ensure process capability reciprocate greater and equal to 1.67. At QTech, we make sure every solder joint is reliable and solid.